Hello everybody, my name is Cristina Migliorino and I am the founder of Rome on the Roads, a tour agency specialized in customized tourist services. My work experience started in 1999 in the conciergerie of big European hotels like Marriott Hotels in Rome and Hilton Hotels. Day by day, I had the opportunity to welcome, assist and advise innumerable visitors of the Eternal City, my unbelievable city. My motto is never say no to a guest requesting assistance. I deeply love my city and am used to creating tailored tours. I will help you to find the best solutions in order to visit Rome and the main Italian cities and sites like Capri, Sorrento, the Amalfi Coast, Naples, Pompeii, and north of Italy like Tuscany, Florence, Pisa, and Venice. I will be happy to organize private and small parties tours, cooking classes, gastronomy tours, limousine services, walking tours of Rome, and excursions by Fiat 500 or Vespa tours. I am your friend in Rome and I will be glad to show you places you would never visit alone. Come and see us at Rome on the Roads through Curiosity.